Hello guys, thank you for visiting that channel. I hope I can help all of you who has problem to install the watermark on your channel, which is very important role to bring your subscriber in your channel. It's very easy to install as long as you have one, and I created few. You can simply download and save to your desktop. I'll go about this later. So what I want to show you how to do this. Let's say you're in a YouTube homepage. You click on the top right corner your channel logo. You click on your channel and then you go to your YouTube Studio. To the left you will see settings. You select settings, then channel, and then you select branding. Okay, in branding you will see choose image. So I already create many for you, about 9 to 10 different images, totally free. Just please subscribe to my channel so you'll get update. That would be thanks to me, and I will be very appreciate, and I will see that it helps you guys. You leave a comment, put a like, so you know what to do. So I will choose, let's say, this button, click to subscribe, then I open it and I click, you can choose either enter the video to show this watermark, customer start date, like time, or entire video. Let's say I put entire video and then I click save. It takes a couple seconds to save and you got the message settings saved. So next what you can do, you can check to see if it's saved. You click on video and you open one of your videos and it shows on the side that you are created watermark. Congratulations. As people say, it will help you to create following subscribers. That's good. And it takes only like 5 to 10 seconds as long as you download this. So second, I want to show you how to get this button, and they're free. There's many different websites which I found a lot of spam, a lot of different viruses. So my website is the page I create under my website, a simple page with no marketing, no advertisement at all. So what you do, you will click on the link below in my detail under this video and it will take you to this page. It says free YouTube subscriber buttons. I just created today. It's 100% free. You can use it any of this. This is the logo I created. I don't know if it's good. If you don't like it, please tell me why. I will be very appreciated, because I'm not web designer. I'm just a dad. So what you do, you select any of them and you click to open, and then you click save image, and you save image to location where you like. If you depend on your browser, every browser different, you can also click on it, point on it, on any of the images you like. You just point on it and right click, it'll give you option to save image, and you save it. And then you go by step. I show you previously how to get this image uploaded to your browser, and this way you'll have it like this. It's really nice. I like this bird. It's a hummingbird mother feeding the babies, and I got them recorded from my window, from my daughter's window. They came in March, so it was very beautiful. I hope you like it. Please go through my videos, put some like if you like them. I appreciate watching my video. I know my voice and my accent very heavy. if you have any questions, please put in a comment. I'll try to answer all of them. And please put a like and hit the subscribe button for me, please. I will be very happy to see that you subscribe to my channel, and I will give away some free stuff in the future. I will keep you updated as long as you check the mark 95 on the top to my channel, and I will be glad to answer any questions you have. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Yes, I love my subscribers. I love you guys.